Two of the best pieces of advice that we can give to our clients, and we've proven this in our 20 years of experience as an accounting firm, really comes under giving clients advice on business structures and estate planning. That's what clients want. They want to know that they're going to be protected and they want to know that they're going to have a future. So let's have a brief example of how we can take a typical business structure client through the life cycle in the most efficient way possible, whereby the net result is your client's extremely happy with the advice that you're giving to them, and you as the accounting firm are able to get paid or offer services and get paid for the value, the true value of those services. When we deliver business structure advice to our clients, we may have clients who engaged us through our website and said, look, I'm ready to start up a new consulting firm and I want to get some business structure advice off of you. That's when we can use the Account GPS system to prepare that statement of advice for us. Now there's a separate video on here as part of the GPS implementation that will help you to prepare this statement of advice. But right now, I'm just going to assume that we've already know what advice we're looking for. I just want to prepare the formalized statement of advice so I can show you what's going to happen after our clients receive the statement of advice. Once we answer the questionnaire and get the type of advice that we're looking for, we print out the letter, we'll prepare the statement of advice on our client's behalf. Now your firm may have a personalized branding or way of preparing these documents. That's why all of the GPS content is able to be personalized to your firm's way of doing things. So say for example you may have a font preference for Calibri, and we might also like to insert your logos in the top right hand corner here. So let's put the change logo for our change accountants. So now within a couple of minutes we've now been able to prepare a 6-page statement of advice based on our client's business structure needs. You just need to go ahead and apply your professional knowledge to the client's circumstances in red. So you can familiarize yourself with the content of this letter. But the most important concept is that we're focusing on educating our clients. Once we've educated them, we're giving them the fuel that they need and the knowledge that they need to go ahead and make the decision themselves, or to understand the statement of advice or the advice recommendation you're going to give them. So here's the fuel or the pathway that we want to fuel them down. Our quote, whereby you can specify what you're going to charge as an accounting firm for that, and you get an authority to proceed to go ahead and establish that particular structure. The structure diagram helps our clients get their head around this particular process. So very simple, within a couple of minutes we can prepare the statement of advice for our clients because we've promised to give them or get their structure right from the very beginning. Now typically at SBS, when we go ahead and deliver business structure advice to our clients, under our client services section we can use the business structure establishment to facilitate the process of delivering these trust structures and shelf companies using Account GPS. So as part of your implementation training, we'll train your administration team members to be the ones who can receive this order form. So your accountant can fill out this order form, which will have all the information that your admin team member needs to go ahead and use the same Account GPS system to order the trust, which takes about 15 minutes to enter in their data, and that trust deed is available online immediately. I'll show you an example of what that trust deed will look like. All of the documents that are of a legal nature have all been will all come from Cleary Hall solicitors. So you'll see a reference to Cleary Hall and all the standard letters, and it'll be signed off by the principals and partners at Cleary Hall. This means that these are legal documents, which gives your clients the confidence to know that they're dealing with professionals, and you get your final trust deed online within about 10 minutes. The shelf companies can be ordered using the same online documents, and then your administration team members are able to use the same GPS content to go ahead and send out the documents to your client so that they're ready to sign, and they have all the establishment registrations that they need. Say for example the bank account kit and the invoice and wordings. So we'll do a specific session and training on business structure advice and setting up a corporate secretarial division within your firm. But there's a fine example of how we can deliver business structure advice to our clients, but then go ahead and use the same Account GPS system and content so that our admin team members can follow the procedures and take this job all the way to completion once you've given the statement of advice.